Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin. Today I'm going to do some no-wrap baby back ribs on the Pit Boss Pro Series 1100. I'm going to get that started. While that's heating up, I do have a rack of baby back ribs. And for those of you, before I get started, today I'm just going to do the no wrap, and I'm only going to put the world famous Man Kitchen Recipes garlic pepper. My garlic pepper also has red chili peppers in it, so that'll give us a little bit of spice. And anyway, so for those of you who don't know how to get the silver skin off the baby back ribs, let's just do that real quick and we'll get the seasoning on it and then we'll get it in the grill. Check this part out. So on the baby back ribs, on the other side, you can leave it on. Some people score it. You can take it off. If you already know how to do this, well, that's awesome. Not everybody does, so for you new people that don't know how this, the easiest way is to get a piece of paper towel. Sometimes it comes off real easy. If you can get a little piece of it, and sometimes it does not, like right now. I can't get a hold of it. Okay, so if you can't get a hold of it, you can use a butter knife or any knife. Just kind of get up underneath that skin, that silver skin. Get your paper towel and start pulling it. If you can get from one end, most of the time it'll come off in one piece. So here you go. Just like this. Okay, one piece. All right, there's a little bit of fat on here. I'm just going to go ahead and leave that there, right here. I don't think it needs to be trimmed up. But what I am going to do is I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut it right here. That's about half. Okay, so now I basically have two racks. The reason why I'm doing that, cut this piece of fat off of there. And the reason why I'm doing that is one of them we're gonna do dry, and the other one I'm gonna put barbecue sauce on. So we're gonna do two different types of baby back ribs today, all at the same time. So now the first thing I'm gonna do is get my world famous Man Kitchen Recipes garlic pepper rub. Got my grill going. Turn it up. Okay, so let's get the rub on first. It's a little breezy out here today. Flip them over to the other side. Hold your spice up about a foot or two up. It's a little windy, so breezy, so I'm going to go a little closer. And it is that easy. Garlic pepper. This garlic pepper has red chili powder in it. That's why we get the red color. We'll add a little bit of spice, not too much. There we go. Spiced up, ready to go on the smoker. Okay, so that is very simple to prepare. That's really all you need to do. Sometimes you can use like a yellow mustard binder. These are pretty moist. And I'm just doing the world famous Man Kitchen Recipes garlic pepper. And it sticks on really well. These particular ribs didn't need any binder, so there you go. And today I'm going to be using some Pit Boss hickory pellets. Okay. Today I'm using the hickory blend. Let's get these in the hopper here. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to put a smoker tube in there with these hickory blend pellets. I don't know if you have an amazing smoker tube or not, but these things are awesome, especially if you want to smoke some cheese. It's the amazing smoker tube. I'm going to fill this up with my hickory pellets. I'm going to get it lit. And I'm going to put it in with my ribs just to get that extra smoke. just like that. So I've got a full Amazing tube this size will last about 6 hours. So this will be smoking the entire time. All right, so I got my smoker tube going. See that lit? Been going for about 3 or 4 minutes. It'll get some nice little coals on there. We'll lay it down inside when I put the ribs in. And you know, ribs, if you've got a pellet smoker, ribs is one of the things you must make on a pellet grill. They're delicious. They're easy to make. You know, I mean, you just got to watch your times on cooking and everything so you don't overcook them. But anyway, so what I'm going to do now is we're going to get these into the pellet grill. It's up to 225. I'm doing it on the top rack. The top rack, this gauge right here at the top is pretty accurate. So, and it's at it's about 225 right there. I'm going to get these on, and we're gonna let it go. I'll probably check it in 4 hours. I may come out and spritz it with some water and apple cider vinegar and apple juice in between, but after we get it on, we'll see you in a while. Did you see that flag? I'll show you, that's at 228, 230. This right here is just about 225. It'll pick up here in a second. It'll be just right. So let's get these on. Lay one right there. Let's lay them this way since we can. This one right here. A little space between them. And then I'm going to get my smoker tube right there that's smoking really well. And I'm going to lay this down. I think I'm going to lay this down over here pretty much to the side, not directly under, but to the side, and that's going to get them with some good smoke. See what we got set up there? All right, like I said, I probably won't come back out till about 4 hours to show you what they look like. After 2 hours, I'll come out and spritz them. Anyway, we'll see you in a bit. All right, 4 hours, just like I told you. Oh, look at those. Those look amazing. Check the temp. Don't normally need to, but 174. So these got a little ways. So it's been 4 hours and looking good. Let them go another hour and we'll check them. Let me give you a little closer view of those. Looking mighty fine. We are 4 hours, 45 minutes. And let's just check these out. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Okay, a little of the bend test. Starting to crack a little bit right there. Bottom's still looking good. The other piece, same thing. All right, so we've got a ways to go. $185. So what I'm going to do is this one I'm going to use for my dry rub. This one here, we're going to put some barbecue sauce on it. And for the last 30 minutes or so, we're just going to go ahead and put the barbecue sauce on it. This is a Sweet Baby Ray's with honey and Dr. Pepper. It's a good mix. Had it left over from our wings the other day. It's nice, good, sweet barbecue sauce. Just gonna put it on the tops. And sides. I will put this back up here. Okay, we'll be back probably about 30 minutes. They should be ready to pull. So we'll get some glaze on that one. We should be good to go. Okay, these ribs, no wrap ribs, have been on for 5 hours and 40 minutes total. At 5.5 hours or 5:35-ish, I put barbecue sauce on half of them. The other half, I'm just doing the dry I'm going to put some of my rib rub on there. Not world famous, but this rib rub is good. So let me grab these. $2.25 for 5 hours, probably 45 hours and 45 minutes right as of right now. Look at that. Man, looks beautiful. That's the one with the barbecue sauce. Take the other one off. Look at the color on that. That is the one I'm just going to put the rub on. So hey, check this out. We'll cut it, get a look at it, we'll do a taste test. I'm going to go in and enjoy. It's been a beautiful day. The only drawback about beautiful days, yard work. Been doing yard work all day. So I'm ready to feast. Turn off the pit boss. Okay. In its shutdown mode. It's just going to get a dry rub on it. Sure that's going to be delicious. Remember, it has the salt, pepper, garlic, and red chili powder, so it will be a little on the spicy side, not too bad. Okay, and just so my wife doesn't freak out, I'm going to switch the one with the barbecue sauce to my cutting board, because this cutting board is just a presentation board, if you remember in my other videos. So, all right, let's cut that, see how it looks. Hit a bone. All right, let's do it this way. That is what I'm talking about right there. All right, well, that's warm. Let's see, pick one up. Check that out. Looks beautiful. Okay, I'm going to take a taste of these. Not a huge smoke ring, but it's got a smoke ring on it. Oh my God. That, right to the bone, comes off the bone, still very juicy. Oh my goodness. Okay. I love that one. It doesn't have too much barbecue sauce, so you can really taste the pork rib. Okay. Now let me get the dry rub ribs. Okay, so the one with the dry rub, beautiful looking ribs. This little piece right here, it got a little cooked. It's okay, it's a good piece of meat. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna eat that piece. That is really good. Wow. They're both good, they're both juicy. This one just has the salt, pepper, garlic, the world famous one. And then some of my famous rub. It's not world famous yet, but just as the dry rub, and it is very good. It's got little sugars in it, and you can taste that. The garlic pepper, the spicy garlic pepper, you can definitely taste the red chili. Oh my gosh, so good. Okay, well, no wrap, garlic pepper, ribs, delicious. Hit the like and subscribe. Man, I'm gonna go enjoy these. When you get a chance, like I said earlier, if you have a pellet grill, if you're new to pellet grilling, baby back ribs are a must. So good. Oh my God. All right, well, maybe I'll just eat out here. All right. I'll see you in the next video.